My name is Brittany and I'm an instructor for DivaDance. I love teaching for DivaDance because I love the community. I love that I've met so many people that I don't think I would have met otherwise, and it's just like a breath of fresh air at the end of the day. I am able to be creative and express myself at DivaDance, just being myself, just vibing with the music. I love the songs that our clients choose. They love the songs that they choose, and so I always just think about them when I'm expressing the moves and how I want them to express themselves as well, and they love it every time. What makes the DivaDance community special is there's no pressure here. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or a brand new dancer, the doors are open for you, and I believe that you feel that when you walk into each and every class. Signature move from my class is a booty scoop. Everybody knows about Bobby does the booty scoop, so you can always expect that somewhere, usually. What I love about dance is that I'm able to express myself through dance. I love performing, so even when I'm teaching, when I'm doing it along with the clients, or whether I am performing, it's just a time for me to just really tap into who I am. It's all in my face, it's all in my body, and it's just something I really love doing. My favorite part of class would have to be filming at the end. What I really love about that is I love when people share that with their friends, whether it be on social media, and they tag me and they're like, look at this really awesome thing that I did, and just the excitement that they have around them coming in, learning choreography and killing it, and I'm just like, yeah, I helped with that, but you did it. Like, that's my favorite part.